In TKD Tracker, scoring a sparring match is designed for the ring. From an active bracket, tap a match to open the scoring view and assign both competitors. Use the built-in match timer to track rounds and pauses during the bout. As judges call points, enter scores using the on-screen controls. The score updates instantly as each point is recorded. When the match is complete, confirm the final score to lock in the result. If you prefer a simpler workflow, you can also score matches in simple mode, skipping ahead to third place or finals if needed. You can optionally attach or upload a match video to keep scoring and footage together. TKD Tracker automatically handles what happens next, updating results and advancing the division without extra steps. Final placements from Sparring also feed directly into seasonal tournament points for each champion. Scoring stays focused on the match itself, so you can stay focused on the ring. TKD Tracker. Score it, track it, share it.